What's up? This is the final part of the charcuterie board builds, and it starts out with just cutting out some simple handles, and off camera I sanded everything through all the grits and just got everything nice rounded over and smooth before putting on the finish. And for the finish I just typically use a mineral oil and then a beeswax as well. But yeah, just coated both of them down, and I let that sit on there without wiping it off for 24 hours and then wipe it off. This is how they turn out for me. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.